Hey, young people! I'm trying to find a video of this thing. I can't. The news media. This is what happens when government only allows news media to have access to camera. CBS Chicago is just playing the same bits and pieces of this video concerning this Mrs. Young's video. She's a social worker. The cops raided her house. It's a wrong house. She said they didn't cover her up. The news media is given short blurps. I can't even filter through all their bullshit, pushing their agenda on, this poor woman. And the mayor of Chicago is so outraged. Mayor Chief Lightfoot, and she's so outraged. She's always outraged on nothing changes in that freaking shit town, Chirac, but she's always outraged and calling for more police. We were told that if we had more minorities running police department and mayors, that all the problems would go away. And it seems like the problems just get worse. But you know what? Nobody can say that, or you'll be called names and you'll be censored and YouTube will say you're hate and, all kind of other crap. So I'm trying to cover this woman's incident, but I can't find the video without the media's bullshit cutting and pasting showing the same 3-second clips. And I've searched her name on YouTube and on Google. I went to police activity. I don't know if anybody ever got this video. Can somebody find me the video that's uncut? And don't send me that one knucklehead that's got it straight across his name. I forgot the name of his stupid channel. But I can't watch his videos because he plasters his freaking name across half the screen at the bottom. And he's the only one that was able to get video footage. But I can't watch his video because it's plastered the BS. So could somebody get me a copy of this woman's video and give me a link so I can do a video on this? Because I want to see whether the cops were really as bad as they're trying to make it out. And is this woman got a valid complaint, or is this another bullshit media blackout coverage of Black Lives Matter and everybody who's black's a victim and all cops are bad? And, look, I'm no friend of bad cops, and you know that if you watch my channel. But I need to see the freaking video so I can give an evaluation on whether or not I think the cops were acting appropriately or not. So anyway, if you can help me out, cool. I'll do a video on it. If not, well, then I won't do a video. All right, we'll end that there.